Obama.
Kinamayan mo yung pahapon ni President Duterte. Ano reaction mo?
Siyempre nagulat ko. Kasi hindi naman siya nung padating pa lang siya o palapit sa akin, hindi ko naman siya napansin na talagang halos tumitingin. No? Medyo sumuliyak lang. And then I didn't even know how to also show my face. So pumiti lang ako ng konti. And then lumampas na nga siya ng konti nung bumalik at he extended his hand. Siyempre nagulat ako. I shook his hand. He didn't say anything. He just looked at me straight in the eye and with a little smile. And so I smiled and I could only say, "Hi, sir."
How do you take that, ma'am? How do you interpret that handshake?
I take it positively in the sense that it could be a warm, friendly gesture, sort of a icebreaker. You know, it tried to dispel some notion that we are quote-unquote mortal enemies. When sa aking panig, alam ko naman na hindi ko siya pinipersonal at never ko siyang pinipersonal. So siguro ganun din siya. By that gesture, he is able to show also na hindi rin niya ako pinipersonal kahit hindi kami nagkakasundo sa ilang mga seryosong bagay. Yes. So that's how I interpret.
Nakita niyo pa nung paglampas sa inyo
Make face, yes, a childish smirk. Kasama lang yan ang kapilyuhan niya. Sabi naman ng mga fellow Bedans, talagang pilyo yan.
Oo nga,
noon pa.
kabeda naman kayo.
Yeah, fellow Bedans, but of course he's much senior. And then bihira naman kaming magkita. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, yesterday was just the third time ever na nagkaharap kami. The first was during the public hearing sa DDS in Davao, na pinasomon namin siya. That was the first time. And then the second time, I remember dito sa Senate, nung nag-hearing yung about the rice smuggling, yung the David Bangayan issue. I was invited by the Committee on Agriculture as a resource person. He was also invited. But hindi naman kami nag-usap noon. Hindi naman kami nagharap-harapan. We were just part of that group of several resource persons. And now yesterday was just the third time.
Are there some schoolmates of yours who are trying to lead you up?
Well, there are schoolmates that kind of express certain concern. Bakit daw pareho kami Bedans and yet ang tingin sa amin ay talagang magkaaway kami. But these fellow Bedans know that we're really not that ganun lang ang yun lang ang nagiging impression ng karamihan na supposed to be his nemesis and then that's it na sobra kaming magkaaway. That's the common impression. But our fellow Bedans know that that's not the case.
Okay.
So because I wasn't able to attend kasi the testimonial testimony kami.
walang effort na pagpatuloy.
I think there are certain efforts. There are efforts from certain Bedans doing that, but let's see because alam naman siguro po yan ng presidente na ginagawa ko namin ang trabaho ko.
So, ma'am, how would you characterize your relationship after that, the handshake yesterday?
Well, hindi naman kami kasi, as I said, wala naman siya sinabi.
Okay.
Tumingin lang siya sa akin straight in the eye. So tumingin din ako sa kanya straight in the eye. Nag-smile kami to each other. And that's it. So it's just, I think, he just also wanted to show to the people na kahit na nagkaka-diferensya kami in certain issues, and then it's a matter of principle also. I have my own beliefs. I have my own advocacies. He has his own principles, beliefs, and advocacies for governance. Pero walang personalan.
Ma'am, yung Justice Committee Chairmanship